Good afternoon, children. Today we will continue revision of chapter Sources of Energy. Yesterday you had read, children, about what is a fuel. A fuel is a substance that burns in air to produce heat energy, like coal, petrol, diesel, etc. You have also read about the classification of sources of energy. Sources of energy are classified on the basis of occurrence. It is of two types: natural source, like source which is available to us by nature, like solar energy, wind energy, etc. Next is synthetic source, which is man-made, like battery, in which chemical energy is stored. Next basis is physical state. Classification of source of energy is based on physical state, like solid, liquid and gas. Some fuels are in solid state, like firewood, coal, coke, charcoal, etc. Some are in liquid state, like kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. And next type of source of energy is in gaseous state, like petroleum gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, natural gas, coal gas, producer gas, water gas, etc. Next basis of classification is on the basis of availability. There are two types of sources of energy. First is renewable source of energy and second is non-renewable source of energy. Renewable source of energy can be replenished by the nature in a short period of time. So if we use them continuously, they will not run out from the earth. Like solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy and so on. Next type of source of energy is non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy take millions of years in their formation. So if we will use them continuously, they may be finished up. They may get run out from the earth. Like coal, petroleum, natural gas, these are non-renewable source of energy. You know, children, what is calorific value of a fuel? The amount of heat energy released by burning 1 kilogram of a fuel is called calorific value of a fuel. 1 किलोग्राम फ्यूल को जलाने पर जितना हीट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होता है, उसी अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी को कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू ऑफ फ्यूल कहा जाता है. A good calorific value, high calorific value indicates that the fuel is a good fuel. Okay? If the calorific value is low, it means the fuel is not a good fuel. If you compare the calorific value of coal and wood, you will see that the calorific value of coal is 30,000 kilojoule per kilogram, whereas the calorific value of wood is 20,000 kilojoule per kilogram. So you see, children, that coal has more calorific value than wood. So if you compare coal and wood, which one will be better fuel? Coal is a better fuel because its calorific value is more than wood. Okay, children? Now next topic is fossil fuel. Firstly, you should know what is fossil. Fossils are the remains of dead plants and animals, and the fuel that is formed by the fossil, or you can say a fuel that is formed by the remains of dead plants and animals over a period of million of years. Okay, children, is called fossil fuel. Fossil fuel takes millions of years to be formed, and they are formed by the remains of dead plants and animals. So such fuel is called fossil fuel. Next topic is wood as a fuel. All of you know fuel is a substance which burns in air and produces heat energy. Wood is a major renewable source of energy. Okay, children? Wood is a major renewable natural resource. Now, the combustion of wood is the largest source of energy. When we burn wood, we get heat energy. And wood is used for cooking. It is occasionally used for running steam engine. Wood is used in steam engine. It is also used in steam turbines that generate electricity. Burning of wood produces a heat energy which is used for various purposes, but at the same time burning of wood releases smoke and harmful gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide is fatal because when we inhale carbon monoxide, it combines with hemoglobin and it forms carboxyhemoglobin and it disturbs the transportation of oxygen in our body. So due to suffocation, we may die. So we can say this carbon monoxide is fatal for us. Smoke causes pollution in air which may cause irritation or breathing problem, respiratory problem, etc. So this is all about wood. Now the next topic is coal. Coal is a black or brownish black sedimentary rock. Children, you know rocks are of three types: igneous rocks, metamorphic rock and sedimentary rock. Coal is a black or brownish black sedimentary rock. Coal is also a major source of energy. It is used for cooking and it is also used in thermal power station to generate electricity. Coal is used in thermal power station to generate electricity. Burning of coal produces a heat energy which is used for various purposes, but at the same time it also produces smoke and some harmful gas like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc., which may cause pollution in the air. Children, you have read about acid rain. When sulfur containing coal is burnt in thermal power station, it releases sulfur dioxide, and when this sulfur dioxide reacts with rainwater, it forms sulfuric acid. So this rainwater is acidic in nature. It is called acid rain. So burning of coal causes air pollution. It causes acid rain. You know children, burning of coal releases carbon dioxide.